All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Sunday morning, over here in Riverside, getting ready to do a refinish. Let's go inside and check this out. Whew. Don't hide. The homeowners took up all the carpet. This is just from the years of the old carpet pad getting stuck to the floor to steam cleaning and stuff. This used to be a wall. They took the wall down years ago, just put a 2x4 in it. We're going to take that up, replace it with some wood. All this old carpet glue. Got some termite damages. You can see that right there. See it? The termites eat from the bottom, and as soon as they taste any of the varnish, they stop and leave it paper thin. You've seen that in some of the other videos. We're going to replace that. We'll find some more when we start sanding. These are a little bit different color. Over the years, they've sanded it and tried to refinish it. We're going to replace this big crazy thing, tripping hazard. Another termite board. But we'll find a couple. But this is going to be a huge before and after difference. All right, happy homeowners. Over here, Riverside, you seen the video earlier today. We got started late, actually 8 o'clock. It is Sunday. Didn't want to wake up the neighbors too early. We normally don't work Sunday, but these guys closed escrow Friday. Called us up. We rearranged our schedule and got over here so we can help them get moved in. So it's been less than 4 hours, about 3.5. We're taking lunch. We've replaced this board, but look at the difference already, and we've only done our rough sanding. Got this taken care of. Look at that. Place these boards here, a couple of them. Got this puttied up here. Replace 2 or 3 boards in this room. So when you have the proper equipment, and I guess if you know how to use it, you can get a lot done in a short amount of time. But what a difference. This place is going to be fabulous. Whew. All right, you're watching the video. You got any questions? Leave us a message, we'll answer them. If you'd like a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, let us know. Have a great day.
Okay, we are in Riverside. We started this job yesterday, picked it up at the last minute on a Saturday to start on a Sunday. As you can see, floor is drastically different from what we started with, a nice sheen over the surface. Did a lot of repairs. A lot of boards had termite damage. They were in different locations there and in the bedrooms. This section had to have some new wood put in because this used to be a wall that they took out. We're getting ready to finish up, and I've already spoken to the customer. They've seen this. They absolutely love the look. Just a natural, slightly semi-gloss finish. Beautiful sheen. Job looks great. Hi, this is Jose from Only Wood Floors, and I'm here with Mark in the city of Riverside. and we just about to finish off his house. How do you think it goes with us?
I am really happy with the work and with everything about Only Wood Floors Inc. or LLC. They are a great company. I tell you, it was like Friday evening or afternoon that my wife and I decided that we were going to have someone work on our floors. I made one phone call, left a message, and almost immediately I got a text back, and I was really pleased with what I heard. These guys have been amazing. They responded quickly. The work they're doing is fantastic. It's really changed the look of our house, and we couldn't be more pleased.
Okay, great. Would you then? I assume you can recommend us.
I would unquestionably recommend you.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect. That's great. And of course, we just wondering, is there anything you think we can improve on in any form, in any way?
You know, honestly, I don't think there is. I'm not real familiar with this type of work, but I can tell you what I've seen, the responsiveness of the company to my questions and to arranging things. It's just been fantastic. So no, I can't think of an improvement that I would recommend.
Okay, good. Well, thank you so much for the compliment there. All right, thank you.